Yes, your encryptors right here. In this video, you see your step-by-step guide to analyzing your trade from higher time frame to lower time frame, so that you can increase your chance of success and get more trade signals daily. So this is USD card. So we are looking at it first from the daily time frame to see the daily buyers. So as you can see, the trend and the structure, so it helps us to know who is in control. So we come down to 4-hour time frame where we can actually see what's happening. Okay, so you can see this impulsive move to the upside, and now we're having correction. Okay, so this is 4-hour time frame. So this will help us to know what to do when we go down to the lower time frame. So let's go to 15 minutes. So you can see on 15 minutes it is completely in downtrend, okay, because of the correction from the lower from the higher time frame, which is a 4-hour. So we're going to be looking for trade on 1 minute time frame, so meaning the 15 minutes is going to be our guide. So, and as you can see, we have the seller zone where the downtrend started for the 15 minutes time frame. So we're going to mark it or identify it out so that when price approach that zone on 1 minute time frame, we will know what to do. Okay, so remember, you can get more trade signals in our free Telegram channel. Okay, and if you want mentorship, you can chat with the admin of the channel. Okay, so link in the description. All right, so let's come back to the chart. So as you can see, we have a seller zone up there, and we are having another one. So let's check using the Fibonacci tool. It can help us to see if we have a valid correction before the impulsive move continued. So as you can see right here, we have a correction and it's valid. Okay, so we're going to mark that zone too as the seller zone. Okay, all right, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel if it has been helpful to you so far. Subscribe, click the notification button so that you can get more trade signals and see more videos like this that can help you to increase your chance of success in the financial markets. Okay, so we have another zone right there. So now, okay, when we go to the higher time frame, we can see the buy zone. So we're going to mark that too. So if you check the 4-hour time frame, you can see where the impulsive move started from. So we're going to mark there as our buy zone, so that when price approach there, we will know what to do. We will not just sell into the zone. These are the things that cause a loss at times. So when we identify other zones, it will help us to trade properly on the lower time frame. Okay, so now that we have our zones on the 15 minutes time frame, we are now coming down to the 1 minute time frame where the trade is actually going to happen. Okay, so on the 1 minute, you can see the last impulsive move right here. So we're going to use the Fib tool to see the impulse and if there was a correction. So you can see the impulse, and you can see where our entry is most likely going to be. That's the extreme of the 1 minute zone. So we'll be expecting a fake out to happen right there. So we're going to set an alert there so that if that zone gets triggered and we see a fake out and a breakout to the downside, we can take a long or short position. Okay, so that is basically it. If you love this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. See you in the next video.